Hello everyone.
I was scrolling on Facebook, an ad popped up, and it caught my attention, of course, because that's what they're supposed to do, and it was about skincare, which has been on my mind, and it was this product that would help rejuvenate your skin, was supposed to help slow down the aging process, etc., etc. So I clicked on it and I watched a video, and of course I got sucked in, and they made it sound so important, like my body wasn't producing all these certain vitamins and stuff, so I was like, all right, let's take a look. I decided to maybe give it a try because it has a full money back guarantee if I'm not satisfied. So I was like, why not? So the pills are Beverly Hills MD-Dermal Repair Complex. So I'm gonna see if it actually works, because I looked for reviews and I looked for video editorials and I just couldn't find any that actually showed whether it works or not. So I have not done very much skin, like I don't use skin products a lot. I just kind of let my skin do its thing, but as I'm getting older, I'm just noticing that my skin is changing as I'm getting closer to 40. It happens and my skin's changing, and so I'm like, well, if there's something that actually will help, I'm up for trying it. Why not? So one of my hesitancies in doing this, getting this product, was that I don't love this message we get sent from the beauty industry that we need to change ourselves to look a certain way. But I am a proponent of health, and part of your health is taking care of your organs, and your skin is an important organ. So I want to make sure my skin has the hydration and all the things that it needs to rebuild itself in the best way that it can. So that's what I'm hoping for with this product. I don't have any makeup on right now. I'm just gonna see if anything changes dramatically. But you know, I've got some wrinkles here. I've got, you know, just the average. So yes, I'm just gonna see if it makes a drastic difference or not. So I'm supposed to take 2 of these a day. Here's a list of the ingredients. We'll see if this works. We'll see if there's any noticeable changes. If my skin just starts glowing and radiating and feels different, then it'll be totally worth it. I'm excited to see if there's anything noticeable that happens in the next few weeks or months, or I don't know. We'll see. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments about anything that I've shared so far. Otherwise, I will just see you when I see you with a whole fresh new look.
Peace out.